In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to perform some basic editing operations in Premiere Pro. You'll want to start by opening up a clip into the source monitor by double-clicking it, and you can use the spacebar to play that clip. Next, we want to select the part of the clip that we want to use in our edit, and we can do that by using these two buttons here, the mark an in point, mark an out point. So with the playhead just before the hand comes in, I'm going to mark an in point, and as the hand leaves, or just in motion there, I'm going to mark an out point. Then I can click and drag that clip to a video track. And I'll just zoom in here. So we have our first clip. I'm going to now select a different clip. And here we've got the motion of the hand. So perhaps as it's moving, again, mark an in point and an out point. And then I can click and drag. And it's perfectly fine to construct your edit this way, just by marking selections and clicking and dragging. Let's just do a very simple selection here. If you click and drag a clip over an existing clip, this is called an overwrite edit. Essentially deletes the clip below it and replaces it with this clip here. If I hold down the Command key, then we get what we call an insert edit. So that cuts that clip in two and inserts this clip at that cut point. If you take the selection tool to the end of a clip, then you can trim it, but you can only trim it one way if it's got clips either side. So I can shorten this clip and I can shorten the end point of that clip, but I won't be able to extend the clip further. To do that, I'll need to use the ripple edit tool to shorten a clip and also extend a clip without creating empty spaces. Another thing we can do here is, let's just hold down the Command to do an insert edit.
Repeat manager.
If I hold down the Option key whilst in the selection tool, then I can trim the audio or the video independently of each other. And this here, where the audio leads the video, is called a J cut. And where the audio trails the video, it's called an L cut, because the shape resembles the L and the J respectively. And I can just move that along there. Right click, ripple, delete. If I want to just choose either the video or the audio component of a clip, then I can use this button here, which is drag video only, or use the waveform one here to drag the audio only. Finally, you can reposition your clips in the timeline by holding down the Command key, and you can reposition them like that. You'll need to hold down the Command key, because if you don't hold down the Command key, you'll be performing a overwrite edit, so you'll be deleting the clip that you placed this clip over. And there you have the basic editing operations inside Premiere Pro.